What's up guys? Today, I was playing Minecraft on my PC, which I have at Bananas, and I was building an airplane. I thought to myself, why not make one and do some trick shots? That was a fail. Make one, retake. Make one, and do some trick shots. Oh, nailed it. Okay, I'm going to give you a front row seat. You can see it. You can see it. You can see it. You can see it. And if you don't know what the impressions of, I think he's gobbing off Lord of the Rings. I forgot his name, but yeah. Trick shots. Rudy's hole, matey. Rudy's hole, and I've already spent a minute explaining. There's no time. Let's get into the video. Right, the goal is to try and do it 3 times a day, and if I can do that, it's going to be an even harder trick shot. Okay, so let's see. And I'm listening to some pro music here. No! No! I didn't make it! Yeah, I won't be able to show you my family and stuff. I'm going to do a family video, but yeah, that won't be until tomorrow. It should be. But, so on Christmas, I know what I'm getting an iPhone. That's for sure. iPhone, 10-inch iPad, Xbox One with some games, and that's probably about it. They're all very expensive, so yeah. And I'm gonna get some money. Can't wait, man. Can't wait. Oh, from behind. Oh my God, from behind. I am legend. You have to do it from my sister's bedroom. That was a fail. Let's see. It's landed here. I don't know if you can see it. Don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there. And it is here. Maybe I'm not going to shoot it here. Let me get on. Let's do it from my doorway. I know, because I'm going to do it, and if I do it once, I'm going to try and make it one of those holes. First I'm going to do it from the big one, and the medium one, it should be fun, but sometimes it'll be frustrating. Oh, yes! Time to do it from there. Put you up here, so can you focus on there? You can. So I have to do it from here, because unless I can do it from here, I do it like that. So you can see. No, this is going to be impossible, guys. Come on. This is the one. No! No! Are you kidding me? This is the one. Part number 2. Time to do that back. No! What the hell? Dancing. Do never try dancing to get something in a hole or anything. Just never do it. It doesn't work. Do it. No, I can do it. No. Don't laugh, but I can't do the nail. Can't do the nail. No. Because see, this video's already gone 5 minutes. As soon as I hit at least one, I'm gonna leave the video. No! 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 Oh my god, guys! Oh my god! Look at it! I am not faking. I am not faking. And then this happened. Nailed it. Then they paper airplane. Boom. I almost nailed it perfectly. No. Stop failing. Yes! Oh my god, guys! Oh my god! Oh my god! It will never fit through this tiny one. Unless... No, it's impossible. Unless someone's at Airplane Trick Shop. Let me know in the comments if you're an Airplane Trick Shop master. But be able to go from here. What about? Let's see. I have no idea if that's going to be possible. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it for this video. But if you'd like to see more, if you'd like to see a part 2, then just leave in the comments down below. Let me know if you like this dubstep music, and if you do, I'll be sure to add more. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, I'm gonna add way more. So that's it, guys. Goodbye. See you in the next video. Peace.